Hello everyone, today we will learn how to use Countif in Google Spreadsheets. Okay, so first if you have the data like this and then you want to use Countif to easier your work, so I will teach you how to use it. So first, click the cell and then press button equal and type count if open bracket and then select the range. Now select the row, the cell that you want, and then the information you will see here. Just drag it into the last cell. So you will get B2, D2, B2, and until D2. Okay, next press button comma and then speech button and the criteria that you want. So we will choose greater than 30. Greater than 30. And then again the speech button and close the bracket. Just press the enter and you will get the number of months with selling greater than 30. You will get 2. And here let's check it out. The value that greater than 30 have 2, it is 40 and 50. So this count is very helpful for us. If you want to make it more easier, just drag it into down and you will get the final result number of months with selling. For example, let's check it greater than 30. So here we got 2 amount that greater than 30 in the last one, and then here yes we have just one value amount then that greater than 30. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.